Welcome back, children. So let's move ahead to the next type of determiners, that is indefinite adjectives. Here we can say quantifiers. In indefinite adjectives, if we look at the title, indefinite, it means these are not definite. We cannot say one number, 1, 2. So these are the indefinite adjectives. We cannot define the specific number. For example, here some, any, little, much, a little, few, many, a few, more, less, fewer, etc. So these are the indefinite adjectives. So now we will discuss one by one with examples. Now coming to the first one. The first one, some. This indefinite adjectives or the quantifier some. Some is used in affirmative sentences. Sentences I wrote in brief here. Okay. It is used in affirmative. Affirmative means positive sentences. It is used with uncountable. Uncountable I wrote in short. In affirmative or positive sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. Plural in short and countable also in short I wrote here. You understand? So clearly we can say that it is used in positive affirmative sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. Which word or which determiner? Some. Next, it can also be used in a question when a positive reply is expected. When the reply we can expect in a positive way. In that case, we can use this quantifier or this adjective or the determiner, that is some. Now after this description, let us come to the examples. Now look at the first example. I need some sugar. Sugar, what is this here? It is, do you think it is a countable noun? No, we cannot count it. 1 sugar, 2 sugar. So that's why it is uncountable noun. Look at the first one. It is in affirmative sentences with uncountable noun. Uncountable. Okay. Now this is the first one. I need some sugar. It is an uncountable noun. So before this we have used the determiner some. Before this uncountable noun. Look at the second example. I need some volunteers. If we look at this example, I need some volunteers. Volunteers, it is a countable plus plural. We can count, but plural volunteers. Okay. So before that also we can use this indefinite adjective or this determiner before plural countable or countable but plural. Volunteers plural, more than one. So before that we can use. One more. It can be used in a question when a positive reply is expected. Look at this question. Would you like some coffee? Some is used. Here definitely we can expect the reply in a positive way. So before this also we can use this determiner some. Now after this some, let us come to the next one, any. Here I wrote in short only there. Now in front of you that I will read, it's especially the use of this determiner any. Look at here or listen. In question, when you ask any, this determiner is used in question. I wrote in short here. I have not written the rest of the things. In questions, it is used when you ask if something exists or not. In a question, when you ask if something exists or not, that time you can use this determiner any. Next, use in a negative sentences. In negative sentences. Okay. In negative sentences, to say that something does not exist. So in negative sentences also we can use this determiner any. One more thing, in affirmative sentences. Question we have seen negative and one more affirmative, that is positive sentence. In affirmative sentences, before plural nouns, I hope you can understand plural or singular. Before plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Plural and uncountable nouns to refer to a quantity which may or may not exist. So before that also we can use this determiner any. For example, do you have any doubts? Look at this. In question, as I told you that it is a question. Do you have any doubt? So here we have used any. In question we can use this determiner. Look at the second example. I don't have any money. Any is used here. I don't have. It is a negative sentence. So in negative sentence also we can use this determiner. Negative sentence, I don't have any doubt. So in this way, students, we can use these indefinite adjectives where we cannot specify the proper number or the specific number here. So that's why they are known as indefinite adjectives. Now two we have discussed here. Few more we will see in the coming video modules. Thank you.